So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to install the latest version of Magisk, which is the 24.3, and recover if you are in a boot loop, and also fix safety net. So the prerequisites are you need an unlocked bootloader and need to have TWRP installed. So and have the Magisk APK in your internal storage. So now all you need to do is reboot your phone into the recovery. Click on reboot and press the power button, which may be TWRP, Orange Fox recovery, or any other recoveries in your case. So here is it guys, the TWRP is booted. Now go to wipe, advanced wipe, select Dalvik card cache, then swipe to wipe. Go to home, install, and in case you can't see your internal storage and you can just see this, then all you need to do is remove your password and security, which would help you see your internal storage. So now in my case I've removed my password and security. Automatically reflash TWRP can be removed, because if that is enabled, installing your recovery again will remove your root. So after you install root, automatically your root will be removed. So unselect this option if it's selected, and now swipe to confirm flash. So as you can see, the Magisk 24.3 installer. So that is done. Installation took 31 seconds. So now you can head and reboot your system. So in the end of the video, I'll be telling you how to recover if you're in a boot loop. Before that, I'll be telling you how to fix safety net and other stuff. So the phone is rebooting, so let's wait. So here is it, the phone is rebooted. So guys, the phone is booted. Let's check if the phone is rooted. If your phone is rooted, you will be able to see the Magisk app installed in your phone. Okay, let's wait for the phone to refresh. Yeah, Magisk. Open it and upgrade to full Magisk to finish setup, download and install. Okay. In some cases it might be asking for a reboot, which is also okay. I am aware, and wait for 10 seconds. After this is done, you can be opening the app and checking if the root is installed or not. Update. So the app is installed, as you can see, installed 24.3, and the phone is rooted successfully. And we can be confirming with that with the root checker, which is the root checker. Let's install this root checker basic, which is also okay. Root checker basic, open it, and I agree. Get started, verify root, and boom, your phone is rooted. You can see this granting, and congratulations, root is properly installed on this device. Android version 12. So your phone is rooted. Now let's check the safety net. Okay, it's not available in the latest Magisk version. So let me just flash the safety net fix. That's done. And let's be flashing the Magisk height props. Magisk height props config. So you can be downloading it from GitHub. So here we go, releases, and download the latest one, which is 6.1.2. After that is downloaded, you can close it, install that from your downloads folder, Magisk height props, creating fingerprint files. Now you can reboot your phone. So we can swipe to unlock. So here is it guys, the phone is booted. So now After installing the safety net fix itself, your phone should have been proper, and your safety net should have been fixed. So now what to do if your phone is in a boot loop? So when your phone is in a boot loop, let me show you how it will look like. So if your phone is in a boot loop, you'll be just in the MI logo and it'll be looping there, or your phone might be restarting. So where you can be doing this, like pressing the power up button, lower volume button and the power up button, which will be rebooting you to the recovery, which is the TWRP in my case. So as you can see, my phone is powered off and it's getting rebooted to recovery. You can leave the volume power button and keep on pressing the volume up button. So now the TWRP is booted, and generally to do this you can be renaming this app and reinstalling this app, which may not work in some cases. So the easiest and easy way to do this is just reflash your TWRP, the flash current TWRP, and swipe to confirm. So in the end it will be telling you have lost root access, which is good, and your phone wouldn't boot loop anymore. As you can see, if your device was previously rooted, then the root has been overwritten and needs to be reinstalled. So the boot loop must have been gone. If not, you can be trying the Magisk. You can be reinstalling a Magisk app, which will also remove the root. You can be renaming the Magisk APK into uninstall.zip and flash it in the recovery, which will also be working. And let's see. Since my phone wasn't in boot loop, it wouldn't be working now. So let me show you if the root is gone or not. Let me check it in the root checker app. So now let's go to the root checker app. So root checker basic, verify root. So as you can see, sorry, root access isn't properly installed on this device, and boom, your device is unrooted and the boot loop must have been gone by now. So that is all for this video, guys. Please like, share and subscribe if it worked for you. Bye.